Dear students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we will be calculating the inflation rate by using two different methods. One method of calculating inflation rate from GDP deflator, and the second method for calculating inflation is CPI. We will discuss each method one by one. So now let's discuss first method of calculating inflation rate by GDP deflator. Basically, inflation mean when there is a general increase in the price level. When prices are increasing continuously basis and the value of money is decreasing, then this situation is called inflation. First method of calculation for inflation is GDP deflator, and the formula for GDP deflator is when we divide nominal GDP by real GDP and multiply by 100, then we have GDP deflator. In previous lecture, we have calculated nominal GDP and real GDP. Nominal GDP, the GDP which is measured on the basis of current year prices, and the real GDP which is measured on the basis of base year prices. So I hope so you have watched the previous lectures and now you are able to calculate the nominal GDP and real GDP. So as we are very much clear that how to calculate nominal GDP and real GDP, so we directly move on to calculation of GDP deflator. So as you can see here, the GDP deflator formula is equals to nominal GDP over real GDP. And if we want to calculate nominal GDP from this formula, then we simply multiply this real GDP by GDP deflator, and we will have real nominal GDP. So now let's calculate GDP deflator. We have data of 3 years from year 2006 to 2008. And we have the GDP for year 2006, 7 and 8, and we have real GDP for year 2006, 7 and 8. We have to calculate first of all GDP deflator, and then on the basis of GDP deflator we will calculate inflation rate. So calculation of GDP deflator is very simple. We have simply divide nominal GDP with real GDP and we have GDP deflator. We will divide this value by this value and we have GDP deflator for year 2006. Similarly, when we divide nominal GDP of year 2007 with the real GDP of 2007, then we have GDP deflator for year 2007. And also for year 2008, when we divide the nominal GDP of 2008 with the real GDP of 2008, then here we have GDP deflator for year 2008. The next step is calculation of inflation rate. As you can see in this table, we have already calculated the GDP deflator by using the formula of GDP deflator, that was nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100, and we have these values after implementing that formula. So now we have GDP deflator, and now we can easily calculate the inflation rate. The formula for inflation rate is current GDP deflator minus previous GDP deflator divided by previous GDP deflator into 100. So current GDP deflator at this moment is for year 2007 is 102.8. So we will subtract 100 from 102.8 and divide it by 100 and multiply by 100, then we have 2.8% inflation rate for year 2007. 102.8 minus 100 divided by 100 into 100, and it will give us inflation rate for 2007. Similarly, when we are calculating inflation rate for year 2008, we will do the same steps again. 112.1 minus 102.8 divided by 102.8 into 100, and we will have the inflation rate for year 2008, which is 9%, 9.1%. So this is the simple method for the calculation of inflation rate with the help of GDP deflator.